This is our random audit system with ALDI-Pranger-Sweeny-1192-3. This is the ALDI group project. My name is Nimish Jain.
I'm Ronil Shah.
I'm Adriana Vargas.
I'm Vinny Sundar.
I'm Bridget Larmore.
I'm Abby Alcala.
And I'm Abigail Wilham. So for our problem statement, our team has researched that Aldi faces 15% more product loss after adding self-checkouts. For our question of this problem, how can they reduce theft at these kiosks while keeping customers happy and operations efficient? For our solution, our team has also researched that random audits with rewards that are cost-effective, simple, and align with Aldi's values, they avoid complexity while motivating customers.
Okay, so for our goals, we are first addressing the loss prevention. Currently, 15% of all these losses come from self-checkout theft. Our aim is to design a strategy to reduce these losses effectively. Next, we have accuracy in scanning and weighting is essential. Improving this process can help prevent a common type of theft and streamline operations. Lastly, we're focusing on customer authentication at self-checkouts to balance security with positive user experience.
Our plan for Aldi highlights many strengths. For example, it's very cost-effective as it mainly involves paying employees to do random checks, which are easy to set up and don't require much time or money. Alongside this, our method is very simple. These checks won't confuse any customers, making the process smooth and hassle-free, which will overall increase the customer's experience in store. To make it more engaging, we could offer small rewards like a free coupon to customers who get checked. This would add an extra incentive for customers and create a positive experience. Another benefit of this approach is that it's very reliable. It doesn't rely on technology, so even if there are any technical issues or system outages, the checks can still be done without any interruptions.
We can use a SWOT analysis to examine the strengths, opportunities, weaknesses, and threats that come with our solution of random audits. First, the strengths are that it is an easy and cost-effective way to reduce checkout theft. The opportunities that come with the system are we gather important data for future use of theft analysis and provide rewards to customers who comply. The weaknesses are that we do risk bias accusations and customer discomfort. Lastly, the threat that comes with the system is costs rising due to the need to hire more employees.
Now let's talk about how our approach aligns with Aldi's main business goals. Aldi focuses on reducing product loss, keeping operations cost-effective, and creating a positive experience for their customers. Starting with cost effectiveness, we understand that Aldi values simplicity and minimizing unnecessary expenses. By using random audits, we can effectively address theft without needing costly AI systems or extensive store redesigns. This approach keeps expenses low while addressing loss prevention. Customer experience is another major priority for Aldi. Our plan includes friendly, non-intrusive audits that maintain a welcoming environment for customers. These audits encourage honesty without interfering with the shopping process, which supports Aldi's hassle-free, customer-focused approach. Lastly, we're aiming for operational efficiency. Our audits are designed to reduce theft without adding extra work for staff or requiring significant changes to the store layout. This approach aligns with Aldi's commitment to simplicity and ensures their team can stay focused on core operations.
Yeah, so the project timing will be split into around 5 phases, equating to 13 months. Our first month is to plan and budget. Then the next other couple months, between months 3 and 5, we're going to test in different stores to make sure that our system works. Then around in month 6, we start testing fully, installing it, and collect feedback. In months 7 to 12, we start rolling it out to every single Aldi store to make sure that our system is being used effectively. And then from there, it's just collecting feedback to make sure that we keep improving the system.
All right, so here's a 3-year breakdown of the cost analysis. It's split up into implementation, optimization, and stabilization. The red hues represent the indirect costs, such as losses during implementation and project management costs, and these make up a bulk of the costs. Then the purple hues, on the other hand, make up the direct costs, such as hardware costs for biometric scanners and software development licensing. For a more specific breakdown, you can visit the Google Sheets that's referenced at the bottom of the slide. As for the final statistics, multiple research studies done by, for example, solink.com suggest that theft is reduced by $150 million. The increased customer loyalty increases the revenue by $4.5 billion, and there's a 2,000% increase on the return on investment. Thus, random audits brings, most importantly, a cost-effective and straightforward solution that aligns perfectly with ALDI's core values. Together, we can create a simple yet impactful strategy that not only motivates our customers, but also reinforces the loyalty that makes ALDI stand out. I thank you on the behalf of our team for listening along. Here's the works cited.